After customizing your vocabulary file in Chat, you should back this up to another location. One way to do this is by using Chat Editor on a Windows computer. You can download Chat Editor for free, and you'll find the download link in the description of this video. Once Chat Editor has been installed, connect your device to the computer using a USB to USB-C cable. You may see a pop-up on your device asking you to allow access to the tablet data. Press Allow. Your device will now go into chat transfer mode. Launch Chat Editor on your computer. The first time you open Chat Editor, you will be asked to create a new configuration. If you have already set up a configuration, you can choose the configuration from the menu. For steps on setting up a new configuration, see the video linked in the description. At the top of the screen, you should see Device is connected. If not, close Chat Editor and disconnect the cable. Try connecting the device again and relaunching Chat Editor. Notice the menu bar at the top of the screen. Library is where you will find vocabulary files and where you can transfer files to and from your device. Click on Library. Press Transfer. Select vocabs to, from device. You will see files on your device on the right and files in Chat Editor on the left. Select the file you want to back up to Chat Editor, then select To Editor. Once the transfer is complete, you will see the file name on the left. Press Done. All customized vocabulary files will be found under the My Resources tab. Select your transferred vocabulary, then click Open. I can see that this is my personalized version by checking that one of my personalized buttons is there. So you now have a backup of your vocabulary file. You can safely eject your device from the computer. When you're ready to transfer vocabulary file back to your device, you'll need to connect your device to the computer and launch Chat Editor again. We would, at that point, go to Library, then go to Transfer. Again, press vocabs to, from device. This time, we would select the vocabulary file from the left column in Chat Editor, and we would be transferring it to the device. So we'd press To Device. You'll be notified that there's a file with the same name already on the device. You can override that file. When the transfer is complete, click on Done and click on Close, and you can now safely eject the device from your computer.